So, you want to link sketch text to a global variable in SolidWorks. How do you go about doing that? Well, I have a configurable pulley here, and I want it to automatically display the tooth count and the part number. The part number is the easy part. The tooth count, that's a variable, and you can't directly link sketch text to variables. So, how do you do it? You can indirectly link. It's kind of weird, but just create a sketch entity. It can be a line or whatever you can dimension, anything you can dimension. You're going to link this dimension to your global variable. So it's being a little bit weird. There we go. So 36. So this is our tooth count, 36 teeth on this pulley. Now we want to make some sketch text. That's on it. And how do we link it to the dimension? Well, double click D1 at sketch 16. You can't copy it, you have to memorize it. It's D1 at sketch 16. And then do quotation marks, D1 at sketch 16. So now it automatically has it here, but there's some annoying zeros that we don't want. So let's get rid of those. Select your dimension and turn precision to none. And then go to others and use document method, turn that off. And it might take some finagling, but usually it works after a few tries. So try round halfway towards 0. And then Control Q, rebuild. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try another one. Let's select this and let's do round half to even. All right, there we go. It worked. So I don't know why that is like that, but it works. So now we can mess with this sketch text more. We can add like T after to represent T or whatever. It can be whatever. So you can describe your linked variable more. But now it automatically adjusts that, and let's extrude it just to show how it looks. We'll do 0.125. Probably don't need that much, but it just represents it. It looks cool. And we can change it. 24. Pretty neat. But there's some other things you can link to sketch text that aren't variables. I'll show you those real quick. You can also link some other stuff. So you can link your file name, which is cool if you want to display the part number. You can link file properties, so you can link different file properties. But I found that the file properties are a little tricky. So we're going to link the file name. So all these are SolidWorks things that you can link to it. And I think you can link comments. So there's some other things that might be useful to you. But file name is the most useful to me. And right now, part 2. But once you save your file and go back in here and rename it and reload it, it'll make the part number whatever you save your file as, which is pretty cool. So now we have that. And if you adjust it all and make it look actually good, it can look like this, which is pretty neat. Like the video if you liked the video, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.